away by the union government, and the responsibility lies with the union government. At such a juncture, sir, the concern before us are two things. One, regarding the federalism and its powers being taken away.
Let him speak.
Two,
No, you speak. You address to the chair, please. You address to the chair.
yes, sir. So, while supporting the minister on the initiatives, we have a few concerns, sir. Our concerns are the powers which are taken away by the centre. How much and how well would they be utilized, implemented,
No,
and the state interest be
nothing will go on record
should
except
be reassured. Sir.
the member who is speaking. Nothing will go on record except the member speaking.
So when I look at the honourable minister,
No, he got only 2 minutes.
I feel reassured because the minister is an environmentalist lover, environmental protectionist. So the ministry under him would definitely reassure us that as long as he's heading it, the environmental protection would be ensured. Having said this, sir, when we look at the state of affairs, the Niti Aayog report few years back has pointed out that India stands 120 out of 122 nations in water pollution, sir. And added to these was the boards, the pollution control boards at center and at the state. When we look at the vacancies, in the states there is 50% vacancies of the officers to be filled up.
Please conclude.
There is a 50%. Sir, half the time went in destruction and noise. Give me just 2 minutes. 2 minutes, sir. So I would request the minister to fill up all the vacancies, especially in Manipur. There are 63% vacancies in the pollution board. Kindly take up your Har Jal program, which was initiated as Mission Bhagirath in Telangana, which gave portable, clear drinking water to every household, is a shining example to the country. And finally, the only concern I have is the reason to bring in this resolution through Parliament when there is still time for the revival of Manipur Parliament. We had hoped that the discussion, this resolution, would be passed in Manipur Assembly. That would have given much more intense depth to the whole discussion, sir.
Dr.
But
V.
having said this, I thank you for the opportunity.
Respected Chair.
No, they got only 2 minutes. You please, wait.
Today, in this House witnessing, sir,
you please address.
In this House witnessing a cruelty against the people of Manipur and an unparalleled attack against our great federalism, sir. Now, New Delhi is one of the most
Please address to the subject.